Let's clarify how to calculate the demand load for a garage door opener in a single-family home, specifically regarding the National Electrical Code, NEC. The NEC doesn't explicitly list garage door openers under fastened-in-place appliances, but functionally and by installation, it can be considered a fixed appliance. Fixed appliances are those permanently connected to the electrical supply and not easily moved. Garage door openers typically fit this description. They are hardwired, mounted on a fixed structure like the garage roof, and not intended to be relocated. For demand calculation, garage door openers fall under other fixed appliances. The demand for a single garage door opener is 1500 volt amps per opener. Now, if you have 4 or more fixed appliances, including the garage door opener, you need to apply a demand factor of 75% according to NEC 220.17. This means you multiply the total voltamps by 0.75 to get the overall demand for that circuit. Here's an example. Let's say you have 4 garage door openers. That's 4 times 1500 voltamps, totaling 6000 voltamps. Then the total demand with the 75% factor applied is 6000 voltamps times 0.75, equaling 4500 voltamps. In conclusion, garage door openers can be considered fixed appliances for demand calculations. And when calculating the demand for a circuit with 4 or more fixed appliances, including garage door openers, apply the 75% demand factor as per NEC 220.17.